In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the inactive timeout on Discord mobile. So as you know, you have an inactive channel available to you on Discord. And if you want to change the amount of time that people are idle for before they get put into the timeout channel or the inactive channel, then this is how you change that timeout period. So I'm just going to go into one of my servers that I have the inactive channel on for. And then you just want to tap on the three vertical dots at the top there. And then you want to tap on settings. From here, you want to tap on overview. And you have the options here. It says inactive channel and inactive timeout. You want to select inactive timeout. If you don't have an inactive channel set, just tap on inactive channel, select the channel, and then that's that. And then you want to select the inactive timeout. So just click on it. And then you can say 15 minutes, for example. And then that's pretty much all there is to it. And you just save the changes by tapping this button right there. Now the server changes have been updated. And that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.